Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream soda. Get ready to craft your own fizzy, sweet, and incredibly satisfying drink right in your kitchen. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily replicate this classic soda. You'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve that perfect creamy flavor and delightful effervescence. Let's dive into the process and start brewing your very own batch of homemade cream soda today. To begin, you'll need just a few key ingredients. First, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water to create your simple syrup. This forms the sweet foundation of your cream soda. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of good quality pure vanilla extract, which provides that signature creamy flavor. Finally, have 4 cups of cold, sparkling water ready for the fizz. These simple items are all it takes to make a fantastic homemade cream soda.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying learning how to make cream soda, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides. Speaking of bringing your space to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker can fill your kitchen with music while you're whipping up delicious drinks. It's a fantastic addition to any home. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The first step is making your vanilla simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once clear, remove the syrup from the heat. Now, stir in your 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Let this fragrant syrup cool completely before moving on to the next exciting step. Once your vanilla syrup is thoroughly cooled, it's time to assemble your cream soda. For each serving, pour about 1/4 cup of the vanilla syrup into a glass. Then, slowly add 1 cup of cold, sparkling water to the syrup. Stir gently to combine the flavors without losing too much fizz. Add some ice cubes, and your delicious, homemade cream soda is ready to be enjoyed. It's that simple to create a perfect, bubbly treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.